Welcome to today's video, guys. We're going to talk tomatoes, and I've got a very clever way of planting tomato seeds, and it actually goes with some tomatoes that maybe are old in the fridge. And all you're going to need to start is just, of course, some tomatoes there, and you've got a pot with some potting soil, and this is very, very easy. It's probably the easiest method I've come across so far, so I'm anxious to try it out. You're watching How to Grow Tomatoes Indoors from Seeds. Got a couple old tomatoes that have been sitting around in the fridge for a while. They've gone bad, not edible, so I'm going to go ahead and cut them up or slice them in quarter-inch slices to a half-inch, and just go ahead and dice those up. And nothing special, maybe just big enough that you would put on a pizza or something like that. So that's it. You're going to cut those up. You see all the seeds in there. There's a lot of seeds in here. And we're going to reuse those, and we're going to try to get them to grow. Let's go back over to our pot and our potting mix here. I'm going to take some of this potting mix off the top. I've got it full all the way here. I'm just going to go ahead and remove some of that extra dirt so we can get it under some dirt. These can't go on top of the ground. I guess they could probably go on the top of the ground, but we want to give them a layer of dirt on top. And then we'll see what we get here. So I'm clearing that away. Clearing about a half-inch here. Make sure they're down under the dirt, at least a half an inch. All right, and then you're just going to place them in. Like I said, it's just, think of this as a pizza, a dirt pizza. And we're going to put our tomatoes in there, just like so. And I've got another one here. Let's put this right next to it. There you go. There it is. Doesn't have to be special. It's going into the dirt. It's going to be rotting here, and then hopefully we'll have some new growth seeds and new seedlings for tomatoes. Just recycled our tomatoes. Actually, it's a great way to do that. Recycling the tomatoes, and we're going to get something out of it. Oh, there you go. I've got 4 slices in there. That looks like it's going to be good enough, and now it's time to cover them up. Cover them up, like I said, just so that they're at least covered up. I don't know where you guys plan on putting these. Windowsill, outside. As long as there's some dirt on top of those. The seeds don't need a whole lot of dirt to get through. They're rather small when they do start out. And it's amazing how big the plant does get from a little tiny seed like that. But maybe you've got some varmints outside that you're worried about. You might want to cover them up a little bit more. So just so that there's just enough dirt covering the tops, it should be good. And I'll tell you what, we're going to make a follow-up video of this video here, and once I get some sprouts, we'll check back in about a week or so, and I'll give you the status update on what's going on. You can see this is just a regular pot here, potting soil. You took some old tomatoes, we diced them up, put them under the soil, and we should get sprouts. It doesn't get any easier than that. Well, thanks for stopping by today, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Welcome back, everybody. This is our follow-up video to our tomato slices. If you guys are new to the channel and you have not seen the first video, I highly recommend you going and watching that. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link right here. But as we said, we're going to get on to this video, and it's really exciting. This is very, very low maintenance, guys. We took some old tomatoes out of the fridge. We sliced them up. We placed 3 slices into this potting mix and watered it really good and kind of put it over in the shade somewhere. And kind of just forgot about them. And here about 2 weeks, checked back, and we've got all these tomato sprouts. Pretty cool. I'm going to dig these up and kind of see. Here, there's the skin right there from the tomato slice. Got a bunch of roots in there, but that's about it. Everything else was broken down into the soil, so really cool. Let's dig this one up, see what we've got inside here. Not much going on there. A little bit of the skin there, and our last tomato slice here, you can see part of the skin as well. There it is. Grab that there. That's about everything that's left from our slices, just the tomato skin. Pretty cool. So this is a very good way to start your tomatoes if you want low maintenance and you kind of just want to plant them somewhere and just forget about it. This is a great way to do it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.